Good morning. I just got done at Planet Fitness. Okay, I have another pet peeve. There is a man in here that in between sets will stand up, turn around, and if there's a ledge there, he will turn around and watch everybody work out. And when I tell you it's so uncomfortable to be near him, it's so uncomfortable to be near him. And I've literally looked straight at him like, it's so annoying. And I don't have the courage to walk up and go, do you know that you're making me feel uncomfortable? And I'm pretty sure every other woman here feels uncomfortable. Like, the goal should be that you don't watch anybody. Like, look down, look other places. Don't look at other people working out. It's rude. Honestly, I probably think he's not creepy because he's kind of an equal opportunity lurker. Like, he'll watch the men work out and the women. I don't know. It's so creepy. And I've considered going up to the people and say, like, who work there and go, could you tell him to stop? But I don't want to get him in trouble. Like, it's not like I want to be like, he shouldn't be here. I don't want to get him in trouble. That's not my goal. I just want him to stop. And I don't have the courage to go up and say, please stop. I mean, he'll even do it. I was working out this one and it was a machine next to me or near me. And he turned around and he's like leaning on the machine, just staring. And I'm like, stop. Okay, there's my gripe session. Okay, I'm back from the gym. I'm still looking pretty rough. I did a few errands, but then I went and got Chipotle. Yum. So I thought I would tell you what I get in my Chipotle order. I always get the salad, but at least at my Chipotle, they have two different kinds of cut lettuce. The one at the end of the line that they put on if you're doing a bowl is smaller cut than they do on a salad. So I always ask for that first. No rice, some fajita veggies. I have to think about it. I'm like going down the line in my head. I don't do beans. I'm just not a huge bean person. Then I get the grilled chicken, but I ask for a double portion of that. And yes, you have to pay extra for that, but to me it's worth it. Then I get the mild salsa, and then I do get the corn salsa with it. There's not that much. I'm trying to stay away from carbs. I know corn is carbs, but it's very little, so I'm okay with it. And I ask them for a little bit of cheese, not much. And then I ask for guac on the side. When they do the guac, it's just way too much. And then I don't get the chips or anything. That's my order. And this time, I don't know why. I normally don't get anything to drink unless we're eating there. But I have the Chipotle app, and I looked at my rewards. For some reason, my Chipotle app thinks that my birthday is in April because it says I had a free birthday drink. So, I'm like, okay, I guess my birthday's in April. Not sure why. But so I got a free drink. Normally I would just come home and drink like water, but I got a Diet Coke. So I know, only once in a while. Hello. I hurt myself. I'm not sure how I did it. I can't lift my left arm. I don't know when it happened. Like, I'm not sure how it happened. I have no clue. I'm having a hard time even thinking about filming. I can't do my hair to film. I haven't been to the gym all week because I literally can't function. It's like, I don't want to go. I don't know. I just can't. I can't do it. I've been trying to walk every day. Yesterday I walked 3 times because I can't walk fast, because you have to swing your arms and it hurts to even extend my arm some. It kind of reverberates down my hand to my hand, and my hand actually gets a little numb. So I don't know, maybe I have a pinched nerve. I don't know. I can't put my sneakers on. I can't even put a sock on. So I've been wearing I have Bombas, I don't know, slides that are so comfortable. I'm so thankful I have them. I've been wearing those to walk. I've been walking really slow in my neighborhood, and I did that 3 times yesterday. So I actually walked like almost 2.5 miles yesterday, but I did it in 3-time intervals. I'm calling the doctor today. I am one to just put that stuff off. Like, you know what? It'll work itself out. And so many times it does. It just, stupid pains just go away. But this is just excruciating. Yet last night, when you say writhing in pain, that's where I was. I couldn't sit still. My husband's like, what are you doing? Why are you sitting like that? I was like sitting in this weird, I'm like, because right in this position, it hurts less. Nothing would take it away, but it wasn't as sharp a pain. So I will now go try to get myself dressed. Getting dressed is so hard. All right, so I'm gonna go for a walk. As you can see, I can't put my hair back, but I wear this hat. I usually wear this hat anyways, but I usually put it in a ponytail. Hopefully y'all can see that it goes through that hole, but clearly I can't make a ponytail. It at least holds my hair back, gives me some shade. I did put some sunscreen on. These are the boneless sandals I was telling you about. They give me enough support that it feels okay to walk on them for a while, but not so much support that it hurts my feet, because sometimes it's too much support. But they also stay on my feet. I don't feel like they're falling off. Update from earlier today. I was able to make an appointment with an orthopedic surgeon, but I can't get it till May 27th. Today is, I think, the 8th. Here's the weird thing. Okay, excruciating pain last night. I told you guys this. I was writhing in pain. Today, I have not taken any medication all day, and it doesn't hurt. Now, I'm not lifting it. It'll hurt if I move it. There's no pain if I'm just sitting here. So what is the difference? I don't know. I don't get that. And I'm doing nothing different. I've been doing some things, actually semi-folded laundry. That was interesting. Rachel was just here, and she and I went around our neighborhood for a walk. I had Rachel put my hair in a ponytail while I was walking. I just took it out because it was kind of falling out. I'm like, please put my hair in a ponytail. It feels horrible. She's like, you're pathetic. Like, I know. I just went back to the gym after more than a month. I feel like I hardly did anything. I took it extremely light because my knee has been bothering me. My shoulder's completely fine. I don't see any issues. So many of you said you thought it was frozen shoulder, and I totally get that. I don't think it was. I think it was a pinched nerve, because everything I've read about frozen shoulder, it's really hard to get rid of. Like, extreme pain, that I had, but it will last much longer. Mine was like a week, and then it started to get better. So, and my fingers were tingling, and yeah, pretty sure it's that. Unless it comes back, we'll see. I don't know. You all could be right. My knee was hurting before my shoulder was hurting me a little bit, and then it got really bad. Visit to a doctor, some x-rays. I have arthritis in both knees, and it was inflamed, and that is why I was in so much pain. So I have not been doing much walking or going to the gym because I wasn't sure what it was. I didn't want to make it worse. So after getting the A-OK that I can work out, but I just need to be careful, the physical therapist has given me some pointers on what to do. Like, instead of having my knee at a 90-degree angle, pushing it, have it be like more like that and then push, then the knee isn't getting so much pressure. So she's given me some pointers on what to do when I'm here at the gym. And thankfully, she has a Planet Fitness membership and goes, so she knows what machines I'm talking about when I talk about them. So I'm feeling a little bit better than I'm going. I feel like I'm falling apart. Do y'all feel that way? I feel like overnight my body just said, nope, we're not gonna do this. We're gonna just give you pain. All right, we just got back grocery shopping, and I thought I would show you what we bought. Most of it we bought at Aldi. The rest of it we bought at our local grocery store. So at Aldi, we got, it's grass-fed ground beef. We got 2 of them, 85%. I try to get grass-fed, grass-finished, but I can't always find it. So it is what it is. We try to do our best. Center cut pork chops, wild caught Alaskan sockeye salmon. We honestly buy farm raised way too much, and we're trying to get away from that. So we did this once, and we didn't actually like the flavor too much. So we're trying to change our taste buds. You know, it's a process. But they did have thin sliced chicken breast, organic, and this is pasture raised chicken. So I was like, okay, that's good. We've been trying this saute, I think that's how you say that. We like their tortilla chips. Doug wanted to try the nacho one. It's kind of like Doritos. And then just sea salt ones. These are more for Doug. I try to stay away from these because it's a lot of carbs. So a couple of those. And then they also have sea salt potato chips. And the thing that makes these different is that they're all cooked in avocado oil. So obviously better for you. This is grain free. They're not carb free, so you have to still be careful. So if you're keto or something, you're not gonna like it. Broccoli, sour cream. Doug and I are going to make tonight. I'll show it to you. It's an Instant Pot, oh, what's it called? Shredded chicken. Salsa Verde is part of it. So we already have that. We have that here. It's an amazing recipe. So I will share it with you guys, and I'll show you how it's made because it's so good. And it makes a huge amount. So if you have a big crowd, it's really good. And we freeze it. So we got some tomatoes because we are going to make some pico de gallo. Doug got some pistachios to snack on. Blackberries and raspberries and blueberries are my absolute favorites. So we got all of those. We wanted to try the Saute brand mild taco seasoning, so I got that. But we also got the kind we normally get from McCormick, just mild taco seasoning. Milk. Cauliflower. I love to slice cauliflower like in almost like a steak. Roast it in the oven just with some seasoning on it. Yummy. Oh, and some olive oil. But I might switch to avocado oil just because of the heat point. Organic lettuce, organic celery hearts. I have these almost every single day with a little bit of dip. I love these little tiny peppers, and I'm almost out, so yum. In my coffee, because I'm trying to be more lower carb, I do heavy whipping cream instead of half and half, because half and half has carbs in it, surprisingly, but it does, where heavy cream is pretty much all fat. Olive oil. I had heard from those ever famous experts who say you should have single origin. So this is imported from Italy, and that's the only origin point. Extra virgin, and it's in a dark bottle from Aldi. And then we did pick up this, totally not good for you at all, but we like to have this on hand in case we have like all of a sudden we're having company or something that we didn't really plan on. We would like a dessert. We don't normally just go make this ourselves to have on hand for ourselves, which is good because I would eat the whole pan. I know me. Oh, cherry season. I love cherries. Oh my God. Yum. We got some eggs. So pasture raised eggs from Aldi. Yeah, sustainably raised, 100% vegetable fed. So, and raised on small family farms. Of course, I am trusting what this packaging is telling me. So, it means, but you do the best that you can. Little mini carrots, love these things. Green onions, I love this in my scrambled eggs. Yum. Part of that salsa verde thing is I like to make balls. The salsa verde chicken we're making tonight, I like to make bowls. Did I just say balls? I think I did. Bowls, and I will boil this up and then cut it off and have some corn in it, which is definitely carbs, but it is a natural carb, and I don't eat a ton of it, so it's good. Onions. We probably did terribly on this. Doug likes to have sliced deli meat, and the line was long, and so he didn't really want to ask, so we did get some sliced boar's head. I'm sure it's not nitrate free. I'm sure it's terrible for you, but we're still trying to make some switches, so we might be switching to something different. We thought about cooking a turkey breast ourselves and slicing it. Have any of you done that? Does that turn out well for you? Because we thought about doing that. I'm not sure how I would slice it thin because we don't have one of those slicers. I don't know. chime in below and let me know. I needed some of my Greek yogurt, so I like to have whole milk Greek yogurt plain. So this is one. I do like Chobani's. I also like one from Costco a lot, but I didn't want to go to Costco on a Saturday. The last place I want to go to is Costco. So Doug is also trying to eat less sugar. So he likes to take a snack to work. So he got less sugar, chocolate, fudge brownie chocolate chips, and oatmeal dark chocolate chunk. So he's not a big eater, so, you know, I razz him a little bit, but, and then just some chicken wings that are over there that I don't feel like picking up. So anyways, I love to see what people buy at the grocery store, especially if they're trying to eat more healthy, so I thought you guys might like it too. I'll put the whole recipe below in the description box, but these are the basic ingredients for salsa verde shredded chicken. Okay, there we go. Okay, 12 minutes is up, and I'm going to put a double thing over here and vent. What'd you make, Doug?
Pico de gallo.
What'd you make it with?
Tomatoes, onions, lime, and cilantro.
Lime, oh, you're making a mess. Oh, it looks delicious. Thank you, honey. Okay, it has popped. Has it popped? No, it hasn't popped. I'm kind of shocked about that. Okay, pop already. It's popped. So that's what it looks like. Oh, steam. To put it on a cutting board and shred it. And it's about now that I really, really, really wish I bought that thing on Amazon that everyone says you need to shred chicken with. Yep, I really wish I had that now. So guess what I'm buying this week? Yes, that thing. Because I hear it works amazing. Can I tell you how much I loathe shredding chicken? And yes, I could do the whole beater thing, but I think that almost killed my mixer, so no. All right, I shredded the chicken. Yep, definitely buying that thing from Amazon. Not a fun thing. This is on the saute, and it's boiling. It's supposed to get some of the liquid out, and I guess concentrate everything. And then I'm gonna add all the chicken in there. Get it all soaked in there.
Oh, this is a little bit bigger.
Wow, that was such a tiny pit, and that one's massive. This one's cheating us. This is where the beauty of this is. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. Doug's making his into a tortilla with,
Taco.
well, taco tortilla. I guess it's taco. With some avocado smashed and his delicious pico de gallo on top. Well done, husband. And mine is just a bowl. Same thing Doug had said. I just didn't do it in a tortilla. I made my own tortillas out of saute tortillas and did it in the air fryer. So I have a bowl of those, and I'll use those as my dippers. So if you're wondering some of the other things I'm trying to do to better my health, I'm going to link a video right here where I go through, I think it's 12 things I'm working on, doing some things for my health that have really been making a change. So I will link that one right here. I'll see you in that one or another one. God bless.